Hello, I'm Ada. Nice to see you again. Today we'll mainly discuss the details of processing parts with our 400 and 6000 bending machine. Our new design this year is mainly reflected in three aspects. Firstly, for the mold processing part, many other factories only have one mold opening, while we have one on each side, the left and the right. Secondly, we've already installed compensation on the machine. Briefly speaking, the function of the bending machine compensation is mainly to improve the bending precision. During the bending process, the sheet metal will deform due to pressure. Without compensation, deviations may occur in the bending angles and dimensions after bending. The compensation system can adjust the movements of the upper die or the lower die of press to offset the errors caused by these deformations, making the bending angles more accurate and ensuring that the product dimensions meet the standard requirements. For example, when bending some thick sheet, the compensation can ensure that the bending angles won't have large errors due to the spring back of the sheet. Thirdly, we've also made ingenious designs for the crossbeam part. Since our bending machines are all heavy-duty machines, in order to make the forces on both sides of the machine evenly distributed without being affected. So both the crossbeam and the molds are produced through tempering, which greatly improves their hardness. And for the rear load bearing part, we've left an interval of about 80 millimeters on both the left and right sides, so that the middle part won't deform. In this way, we can ensure that the product quality won't be affected by the machine configuration. Alright, the above are just three small details of our heavy-duty machines. That's all for this short video today. We'll continue the introduction next time. Goodbye.